Professor Francis Butagira, or Chairman Board of Directors, w'ekitongole Uganda Registration Services Bureau, yahigabanya Mbarara okukozesa omugisha ogwo okuhandisa ebintu byabo bya butosha ebirumu nka TV, entebe, friji hamwe n'ebindi okubahwera kweguza sente kibayambe kutungura businesses zaabo za butosha n'okulwanyisa obworo.
So I want you people in Mbarara to take advantage of this. You are going to hear from our experts how does this law actually apply. How are you going from here to apply for a small loan using a bicycle, using a movable property. So it is a deliberate effort we are making to go across the country and explain about this law.
Omuringo ngogumwe Maseki Nowisho or Registrar General wa Uganda Registration Services Bureau yahiga abantu okukozesa emihanda ya gavumenti nkeegi okukozesa ebintu byabo bice okubahwera kutunga za looni nabo baketungura.
Mujezo mukozese ejemiryango gavumenti ebateriireho. So I think kitwe ekitongole kya Uganda Registration Services Bureau turi institution e government yahire amani go kuhandisa ebyebe bimukwenda kukosa bank ati bank twine system electronic now ati wano enda kutunga joroni no handisa ni no bank ne value ngane cyandiko mu system bachiteko kavita
Okurjira mwijuka sezi o chairman wa Mbasita yashaba Uganda Registration Services Bureau okwongera kutwara omuramu ogwo mbashubuzi bahansi abo kubona bo bakusinga kugwetaga
echango munonga ningashi ekureka tuganira icyo komaza twashaba URSB ngo muramu ogwo egutwari hansi ombashubuzi
bakafano mutsha kumanyisa ngo abantu babasa kukoza ebintu byo munju kentebe TV za friji babene byo ba registeringa na Uganda Registration Services Bureau biheye sente eziba kubasa kuteka mu business.
Silva Muhumuza manager wa Pal Bank abwaburinje bwizoba yashobora ngo mu abantu n'abatine cyo kusinga no bakwa barikwenda sente ekiyagira ngo ekinjija kubahwera omukwereza abantu za looni
kugira ngo base kukosa ibintu byabo ibyo mu nzu zabo no mu cyatose funa sindi ezana so abantu bashaba abantu bakanye kiza kubaha sente za loan kurigirira amsigo mchuko wine cyo munzu nuko bedenga pichi mutoka bene tukora sente za kwenda polisi sente nzerga andara 5 shika a miliyoni tarakari
Wahati omuntu nabasa kuhandikisa ebintu bya butosha okurabira mu Uganda Registration Services Bureau mu Eiteeka lya simple kimuyambe kweguza sente amakuru agagasha kwa Olivia Kamsime abwatayari westo Mbarara.